Now we are continuing in our series of these word problems where setting up the equation is a fundamental skill or a fundamental fact that we have to master before we can actually solve the problem. So we are going to go over this one example where we'll set up the equation and we will solve it. So the problem goes as follows. So John has a certain number of coins. Half of the coins are pennies, a third of the remaining coins are quarters, and the remaining 10 coins are dollar coins. How much money does John have? Okay, so there are two issues here. First of all, the coins are not all the same, and secondly, we don't even know how many coins are there. But there is enough information in this given question that we can address all these questions, all these issues. So an important thing to note would be what is the number of coins that John has. So we don't know that, so let's give it a name. Let's call it X. So suppose John has X coins. X total coins. X is the unknown. But what do we know? So half of the coins are pennies. X divided by 2 coins are pennies. What else do we know? A third of the remaining coins are quarters. So remaining coins, how many are there? So X minus X divided by 2, which is again X divided by 2. A third of this, so 1/3 of means times X divided by 2, which is X divided by 6 coins are quarters. And it says the remaining 10 coins are dollar coins. So we know what is remaining is 10 coins. So we can use this information to find X. So therefore further remaining coins is equal to, so we started with X coins minus X divided by 2, this is pennies, plus X divided by 6, which is quarters. So let's equalize the denominator. This is 6X divided by 6 minus 3X divided by 6 minus X divided by 6, which is 2X divided by 6, which is also X divided by 3. But we know that the remaining coins are 10. So we are given that this is also equal to 10 coins. Therefore X divided by 3 is equal to 10. That is X is equal to 30. So John had 30 coins to begin with. Now the problem is much simpler. So we know that X divided by 2, which is 15 pennies, which are worth $0.15 or 15 cents. X divided by 6, which is 30 divided by 6, which is 5 quarters. They are worth 5 times a quarter is 1.25. And I'm just writing units in the bracket here because they're not really necessary for the computation, but it's good practice to keep them. And we know finally the 10 $1 coins. This is $10. So total money that he has is, which is basically 10 plus 1.25 plus $0.15, which is $11.40. So that's our final answer. He has $11.4, which is $11.40. So that's how we set up the problem. We are given an unknown number of coins, but there is enough information to deduce the number of coins first. So we did that first. And then given the denominations of the coins, pennies, quarters, dollars, it could be dimes or nickels or whatever else, you can calculate the total amount that he has, because now you know the number of coins and their each denominations. So you can calculate the total amount, which is what we have done. So finally we get that he has $11.40. That's about it.